Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the NEEWER 49mm UV/CPL/ND lens filter kit. We found this product online, and you can check the link in the description below for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly do you get with this lens filter kit? This comprehensive set includes 3 essential filters: a UV filter, a circular polarizer (CPL) filter, and a neutral density (ND4) filter. Each of these filters serves a specific purpose, making this kit a versatile addition to your photography or videography gear. Let's break down the features. First up is the UV filter. This filter is designed to protect your camera lens from dust, scratches, and harmful UV rays that could potentially degrade your images. While modern digital cameras have built-in UV protection, this filter still acts as a safeguard for your lens, which is particularly useful if you're shooting in challenging outdoor conditions. Next, we have the circular polarizer filter, or CPL for short. This filter is a game changer when it comes to enhancing your images. It reduces reflections on non-metallic surfaces, such as water or glass, and increases the contrast and saturation of your photos. If you've ever struggled with washed-out colors in your landscape shots, the CPL filter will help bring those vibrant tones back to life. It also emphasizes details, making it ideal for capturing those intricate textures in nature or architecture. Finally, we have the neutral density filter. The ND4 filter allows you to reduce the amount of light entering your camera by 2 stops. This is particularly useful when you want to achieve a slow shutter speed for motion blur effects, like capturing the smooth flow of a waterfall or the soft movement of clouds. It gives you more creative control over your shots, especially in bright lighting conditions. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The filters are crafted from multi-coated optical glass, which ensures that your images remain clear and free from distortion. The lightweight and durable aluminum alloy frame makes them easy to attach to your lens, ensuring a snug fit without any risk of cross-threading. One of the standout features of this kit is the hard-shell storage case that comes with it. Each filter has its own individual mesh pocket, providing safe and organized storage while you're on the go. This case is compact enough to fit inside your camera bag or backpack, and the smooth zipper ensures that your filters are securely stored when not in use. So, who is this lens filter kit suitable for? Whether you're a hobbyist looking to step up your photography game or a seasoned professional seeking to enhance your toolkit, this kit is a fantastic option. It's ideal for photographers and videographers who work in a variety of environments, from studio settings to outdoor landscapes. In practical terms, if you're planning a day out shooting landscapes, the CPL filter will help bring out those rich colors and remove any unwanted glare from water surfaces. If you're shooting a video of a bustling street scene, the ND filter will allow you to create that beautiful motion blur effect, giving your footage a cinematic feel. And, of course, the UV filter will keep your lens safe from any accidental scratches or dust. In summary, the NEEWER 49mm UV/CPL/ND lens filter kit is a versatile and practical addition to any photographer's or videographer's gear. It enhances image quality, provides excellent protection for your lens, and opens up a range of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.